Hi folks, Colin here, welcome back to the channel. Good to see you here with more rock and roll as always. And we're going to have a look at a Johnny Cash classic today. So this is Jackson. I think it was played by Luther Perkins. It certainly has Luther Perkins' characteristic boom-chicka-boom style. So it's a good one to learn if you're wanting to kind of get that technique under your fingers. A great place to start because this is a very popular song. If you play it in a pub, you'll get a good reaction. If you get a duet, somebody to do the June Carter, somebody to do the Johnny Cash, you'll have a good night. So basically what I'm doing is I'm playing a sort of bass drum sound here. So I'm playing a C chord, got a capo on the first fret, so I'm using the C shape. So technically it's a C sharp, but this just means you can play along with Johnny Cash on the record. So I'm hitting that third fret on the A, and I'm actually slightly muting the string with my palm of my hand. Then I play the D and the G. And then what I do is I stop the sound dead, like that. One more time. Okay, now I'm going to take my ring finger, move it down to the third fret of the low E, then play the D and G again. And super slow it goes like this. So it sounds a bit like Zorba the Greek to start with. But when you speed it up it gets better. So then that little riff, 3, open, 2, then back to the start. 3 on the bottom string, open on the A, 2 on the A. We got married in a fever, hotter than a pepper sprout. We've been talking about Jackson ever since the fire went out. So then what I'm doing is I'm making a C7 shape, so I'm putting my pinky down, third fret on the G. I'm going to Jackson F. Now what we're doing, we're going to hit the low E string first, hit the D G, then hit the A. Gonna mess around, back to C. Yeah, I'm going to Jackson F. Open 1, 3, and up to G. Look at Jackson Town. When I move into that city, people gonna stoop and bow. All of them women gonna make me teach them what they don't know how. Well, I'm going to Jackson F. Get loose of my coat. Yeah, I'm going to Jackson. Goodbye, that's all he wrote. Okay, so it's not too difficult, but if you can get that kind of boom-chicka-boom, then you can play a lot of Johnny Cash songs. So I'm trying to think of another one. I can't think of one at the moment, but they're all kind of the same. So for example, we did, let's go. Same technique for Folsom Prison. I hear the train a-comin', rolling round the bend. I ain't seen the sunshine since I don't know when. I'm stuck in Folsom Prison, and time keeps dragging on. E then to A, train keeps a-rolling on down to San Antonio. When I was just a baby, my mama told me, son, always be a good boy, don't ever play with guns. I shot a man in Reno just to watch him die. Okay, so yeah, I got that a bit wrong, but never mind. So just to let you know, I'm still doing these Monday workshops, and they're great fun because we go through all this sort of stuff, meet lots of people, everyone has a good time, we're playing rock and roll, and it's a good thing to do in the winter time when the nights are drawn in, and keeps you motivated, and you'll learn an awful lot. I mean, I learn stuff myself when I'm speaking to people. It's just amazing when you're in a group, that little bit of kind of wider experience comes through, and it really helps. Okay folks, I'll see you next time. Keep rocking.